May the rain wash your worries away in gentle drops where shadows sway, each bead a whisper, soft and clear, cleansing sorrow, quelling fear. May the rain soothe your weary mind, in every patter, peace you'll find. It drums a melody on leaves and stone, a song that tells you you're never alone. May the rain bathe your heart in light, turn your darkest hours bright. In every storm find hope anew, as rainbows bloom in skies of blue. May the rain embrace your soul, make you feel complete and whole, and as the storm begins to cease, may it leave you with serene peace. May the rain kiss your troubles goodnight, under silver clouds and pale moonlight. Let each droplet carry your pain to distant lands through the whispering rain. May the sun bring you energy by day, golden beams to light your way, each ray a gift of warmth and cheer, banishing shadows, drawing near. May the sun ignite your inner fire, fueling dreams and lifting you higher. In its glow, find strength to soar through open skies forevermore. May the sun's embrace fill your heart with hope and joy, a brand new start. In every dawn, a promise bright, a canvas painted with pure light. May the sun's radiance kiss your skin, awakening the beauty within, its gentle touch a sweet caress, a symbol of life's boundless finesse. May the sun bestow upon your soul a sense of purpose, making you whole. And as it sets, with hues so grand, may you stand tall and understand that in its cycle, day to night, the sun's return brings endless light. So may it guide you, come what may, and bring you energy day by day. May the wind blow new air into you, a breath of life, fresh and true. In gentle whispers, feel the call, reviving spirit, breaking fall. May the wind weave through your hair, bringing freedom, light as air. Each gust a promise of what's to come. Adventure waits, a beating drum. May the wind sweep away your doubt, carry dreams that long cry out. In its embrace, find strength to fly on unseen wings, reach for the sky. May the wind cleanse your weary mind, leave your worries far behind. Its gentle touch, a soothing balm, a melody of quiet calm. May the wind infuse your soul with courage to achieve your goal. Through every storm, let it renew, bringing fresh perspectives, ever true. May the wind with its unseen hand guide you to new, uncharted land. And as it dances through the trees, may it fill your heart with ease. May the wind blow new air into you, refreshing as the morning dew. In every breeze, find a friend, a constant guide until the end. May the moon softly restores you by night, with silver beams of gentle light. In its glow, find calm and peace as day's worries quietly cease. May the moon cradle you in its embrace, a tranquil haven, a sacred space. Each star a guardian, bright and true, watching over the dreams of you. May the moon's glow heal your heart, mending pieces every part. In its silence, wisdom flows, a soothing balm for all life's woes. May the moonlight bathe your soul, making you feel beautifully whole. Its soft touch, a tender kiss, a nocturnal moment of pure bliss. May the moonlight bathe your soul, making you feel beautifully whole. Its soft touch, a tender kiss, a nocturnal moment of pure bliss. May the moon's phases guide your way through the dark to a brighter day. In its cycles, find your flow, a rhythm only you will know. May the moon inspire your dreams with its soft and silvery gleams. In every shadow, find a light, restored by the moon's embrace each night. May the moon softly restore you by night, filling your world with a gentle light. And as you rest under its glow, may you wake with a heart aglow